In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zoom QR code for mobile download. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find Zoom's official QR code on the website, so you can quickly install the mobile app on your phone. Start on a computer with a web browser open and go to the Zoom website. Make sure you're signed in so the account menu is available to you. In the upper right corner of the page, look for your profile. This is the small circular icon that shows your photo or your initials. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. If you don't see the icon, you're likely not signed in yet, so log in first and then return to the upper right corner. From that profile menu, click Download Mobile App. This takes you straight to Zoom's official download center in a new tab. On that page, you should see a prominent QR code specifically for the Zoom mobile app. The code works for both iOS and Android, and it's the quickest way to jump directly to the correct app listing in your device's store. To use it, grab your phone and open the built-in camera. Point the camera steadily at the QR code so it fills most of the frame. On most phones, a small banner will pop up automatically. Tap it to open the App Store or Google Play listing for Zoom. If your camera doesn't recognize QR codes, check your camera settings to enable QR scanning, or use your phone's code scanner tool if it has one. Once the store page opens, install the app as you normally would. A few quick tips to make this smooth. First, confirm you're on the official site by checking the address bar. It should start with https://zoom.us. If you don't immediately see the QR code on the download page, try scrolling a bit, zooming out your browser view, or refreshing the page. Content blockers or strict privacy extensions can sometimes hide embedded images, so temporarily disabling them for that page may help. If your organization manages your device or if your region has store restrictions, the QR link might not open the store directly. In that case, you can still find the correct app by searching your store for Zoom and confirming the publisher is Zoom Video Communications, Inc. Once the app finishes installing, open it and sign in with your existing Zoom account, so your meetings and preferences stay in sync. That's all there is to it. You clicked your profile in the upper right, selected Download Mobile App, and used the QR code to get Zoom on your phone quickly and safely.